Hi there. Today we bring you a review of the top 5 best wireless game controllers of 2023. We made this list quality price, testing, and based on customer reviews. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. EasySMX Arion 9110 Wireless Gamepad. Universal Compatibility. The EasySMX 9110 Wireless CC controller supports 3 Steam, Steam Deck, Android phones, tablets, and TV boxes. It is compatible with Windows XP 7, 8.10, 11, and Android 4.0 or above. It also works with Nintendo Switch Steam Deck when connected with an extra ADA-G adapter. Wireless and wired mode 2-in-1. The PC gaming controller has a 10 connectivity range, which covers the living room and bedroom. There are no wires, no mess, and no hassle. Adjustable LED light. The gamepad with APSI button and the right joystick are equipped with cool LED lights. Dual vibration feedback. The asymmetrical linear motor of the controller for PC puts you in the center of the action, giving you an immersive gaming experience with multi-magnitude vibration feedback. 4 programmable keys. The 4 keys make you a master manipulator. You can edit any complex operation as an M button. Non-slip grips. The indentation and textured surface of the Xbox-style controller fit your fingers snugly and prevent slips in intense games, giving you full control. The M keys make you a master manipulator. Battery operated. The wireless game controller has an embedded lithium battery and a smart sleep. Number 4. GameSir T4 Pro Wireless Game Controller. GameSir T4 Pro Gamepad is equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope to support somatosensory control, which can sensitively capture the player's movements and accurately reflect them in the game. Multi-platforms, GameSir T4 Pro Game Controller is an unprecedented game controller that supports almost all gaming platforms, including Nintendo Switch, Android, iOS, and Windows PC. Deep support for Apple Arcade and MFI games. Gamers can now use GameSir T4 Pro joystick to play Apple Arcade games. Not only that, as long as it is an MFI-certified game, SIR T4 Pro Gamepad also supports it. Support cloud gaming. The emergence of cloud gaming heralds future changes in games, and GameSir T4 Pro is ready for this. T4 Pro is compatible with most cloud games and various popular cloud gaming platforms. Programmable buttons for highly personalized configurations. GameSir T4 Pro Gaming Controller supports users to customize the 4 buttons on the back with simple settings. Asymmetric vibration motors. GameSir T4 Pro Game Controller has 2 asymmetric vibration motors, which can enhance the immersion of the game and provide a real-time and realistic game experience. Linear trigger button for more precise control. Unlike ordinary buttons, GameSir T4 Pro's linear shoulder buttons can provide multiple stages of performance. Colorful LED backlight. Stunning appearance even in the dark. Maybe you never imagined a rainbow appearing at night, but when you turn on GameSir T4 Pro controller, you will see the rainbow glow from the translucent body. In addition, you can adjust the brightness of the backlight through specific button combinations. Number 3. DataFrog Wireless Gaming Controller. The ergonomic design of this wireless controller is specifically designed to ensure perfect control and execution. The handle and contours are designed to better fit your hand. Its analog sticks and trigger buttons provide precise accuracy and comfort, and the enhanced sensitivity will help you maneuver the game remote. Built-in motor and turbo function. The controller compatible with PS4 built-in motor and turbo function, which can give you timely, instant vibration feedback and excellent motion sensing. Evolved analog sticks and trigger buttons allow for unparalleled accuracy with every move. Clickable touchpad offer exciting new ways to experience and interact with your games. 16-bit wireless 4K TV video console for SNES game. This slot machine is carefully assembled from 3000 FC games, plus 50 RU games, plus 166 Portugal games. The wireless controller allows you to play games smoothly. Built-in 913 classic Sega games, 745 FC games, and 276 Russian games. This game console supports 2 players. 16-bit video game console for Sega Mega Drive 2. This 16-bit video game console for Sega uses a classic gamepad design. The gamepad with 6 function buttons, superb gaming experience. Multiple functions, wireless controller. This controller has a highly sensitive touchpad, dual vibration, turbo function, gravity sensitivity, 6-axis motion sensor, and other functions are supported for a completely immersive experience. Efficient charging controller compatible with S4. The wireless controller compatible with PS4 is equipped with 800 mAh rechargeable battery that provides 8 or 10 hours of continuous gameplay on a full charge. With earphone hole. It has a built-in speaker and stereo headset jack, allowing you to experience your favorite games in a whole new dimension. Number 2. GAMROMBO 2.4 Wireless Game Controller. High compatibility. The third-party wireless or wired Pro controller is compatible with Switch, Switch Lite, Switch Old, PC, PS3, phone, Android TV. Ergonomic design. The controller has a streamlined handle design and lightweight structure. It also remains comfortable for long periods of continuous gaming. Reasonable key layout and symmetrical joystick designed for various finger sizes make the controller more flexible and durable. Functional experience. The GAMROMBO wireless controller has a built-in 6-axis gyro sensor for precise motion control. The programming function allows you to operate more smoothly. Built-in dual shock motors give you excellent shock feedback. Multiple connection methods. The Pro controller adopts wired, Bluetooth, and wireless 2.4 connection methods. The new anti-interference connection technology makes your connection more stable. Longer game time. The wireless controller has a built-in 750 mAh lithium battery. Fast charging. A full charge takes only 2 or 3 hours. The usage time can be up to 10 or 12 hours, allowing you to enjoy the game. Number 1. GameSir T3 Wireless Gamepad Game Controller. GameSir T3 S is a multi-platform game controller for Nintendo Switch, Windows C, iOS, and Android devices, ideal for gamers who want to use one controller on multiple devices. It allows you to switch between wireless or wired mode on large-screen gaming devices such as desktops, laptops, and Android TV, giving you more freedom to use the connection you prefer. 3 modes turbo function delivers the right speed for the right scene. The 3 modes of turbo function correspond to 3 automatic firing frequencies, allowing players to freely choose different speeds in different game scenarios. 2 connection methods. Support C and Android TV box. As a game controller with dual connectivity, GameSir T3 gives gamers the freedom to switch from wired to wireless controllers. In addition, compatibility with PC and Android TV boxes makes it the ideal gaming companion for gaming from the comfort of your couch, whether via the included 1.8mm cable or the 2.4 wireless receiver, which transmits up to 10mm. Linear trigger buttons create multiple performance and interactivity. Linear trigger buttons allow you to control speed or intensity in-game by adjusting the tension you have on them, enabling multiple layers of performance and interactivity in games. Asymmetric dual motors take you into real game battles. Equipped with asymmetric dual motors, GameSir T3 provides more dynamic and delicate vibrations by generating different vibration intensities on the left and right grips. Battery life. Built-in 400 mAh lithium battery, GameSir T3 can provide up to 40 hours of battery life. It helps gamers get rid of low battery anxiety and enjoy pleasant, non-stop playtime. You can subscribe this channel to get more such informative videos. Thanks for watching this video.